Welcome to Niagara Falls, Ontario, Canada.
Niagara Falls is home to North America's largest waterfall, lots of attractions, plenty of food, and gorgeous sunsets. But today we're going to show you two hidden gems in Niagara Falls.
Starting with the Whirlpool Trail, parking is $2.50 per hour, and you can either pay through the machine or through your phone.
Come on, let's go.
The Niagara area is home to the Carolinian Forest. This type of forest can only be found around Lake Erie and Lake Ontario. Sadly, only 15% of this ancient forest remains today.
Almost there. Beautiful scenery all around. We even saw a helicopter go by.
Ready for hike number 2.
Another gem is the Niagara Glen Trail.
Again, parking is $2.50 per hour.
This is actually a whole system of trails where you can spend just a few hours or the whole day.
Pro tip, although the trails are well marked and easy to follow, I would recommend taking a picture of the map before you start, that we can take a different route on the way back.
This is a rocky trail, and you will most likely bump into rock climbers while you are here.
You will go past and go through some prehistoric geological formations.
Please be careful. If you fall, you'll be falling on rocks.
We enjoyed taking a break here at this gorgeous lookout.
There were some nice scenic lookouts along the way. Have you been to Niagara Falls? What's your favorite thing to do there? We'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Please give us a thumbs up if you liked our video.
Don't forget to subscribe with notifications so you don't miss out on another travel video.
Thanks for watching!